Hello everyone and welcome back to the All About Apps series. Let's find out what we've got for you today. We have already discussed how much it would cost to create a complex chat app like WhatsApp and a mobile photo editor like Avery. So it's time to move on and check out the cost of a trendy car hailing service. If you live in a large cosmopolitan city with heavy traffic and lack of parking space, you'd probably look for an alternative to having a car. Thanks to such on-demand services as Lyft, Zipcar or Uber, people get all the benefits of personal car rides without having to worry about car repairs or a permanent parking space. We're going to talk about Uber to find out how much it actually costs to create an app like Uber. To gain a fuller understanding of how much it costs to develop the Uber app, let's delve into its functionality. Okay, how does Uber work? Uber app's general performance can be broken down into 5 simple steps. Step 1, request. The customer requests a car instantly or schedules one in advance via the app. The details are sent to the nearest driver. Step 2, matching. The driver may either accept or reject the ride. If he rejects it, the request is sent to another driver. Step 3, the ride. The customer tracks the taxi's approach and is told the estimated time of arrival. Step 4, payment. An accurate estimate beforehand and cashless payment makes the process hassle-free and enjoyable. Step 5, rating. This is an important component of Uber's business logic, which enhances service reliability. If you are thinking of creating a mobile app like Uber, the first thing you should note is that Uber actually consists of 2 separate apps, the Uber Driver app and the Uber Passenger app. Let's focus on the Passenger app. The first feature you'll notice when opening the app is registration and the creation of a personal profile. It is not only convenient but also offers a viable option for additional functionality and personal interaction, which contributes to user retention. In terms of taxi apps that involve mobile payment, it's a must. Moreover, customers just love to be heard, but you already know that. That's why integrating a system of post-ride rating and reviewing is a nice move, both to underline your service customer friendliness and increase public satisfaction. As you intend to develop an on-demand car hailing service, you cannot do without location identification and routing. In general, GPS technology is used to determine current location. Besides, users can find a car with map integration and positioning. To determine the routes and calculate distances, you need the routing server. Matching all the necessary mechanisms, Uber ensures a flawless service. Your app user may also want to pay for the service via the app. Luckily, current payment technologies enable straightforward financial transactions between all the parties concerned. Moreover, you can estimate your Uber ride before you make a request. Uber provides its users with a fare calculator that ensures pretty accurate estimates right in the app. To estimate the fare for a ride, Uber uses 4 main criteria: the base fare, the cost per mile, cost per minute, and a safe ride fee. Next, communication and notifications. Despite the fact that communication in taxi apps goes without saying, it is in the developer's hands to make the one between the driver and the passenger even more pleasant. Uber taxi service users can call or text their driver directly from the app to notify users about important events such as order confirmation or car arrival. This is done using SMS, email or push notifications via the app. Well, that's it for the basic features. If you want to add some extra functionality, developers will require more time and therefore more money. Oh, one more thing. Don't forget about adding expenditure for creating a good-looking, reliable design. Okay, answering the question, how much will an Uber-like app cost? We have determined that the development process for a single platform application will take around 600 hours. Let's multiply that number by an average hourly rate of say $50, which gets us $30K in total for an app like Uber. Again, the final cost of your app is highly dependent on various factors and your personal preferences. A number of additional functions and their complexity are negotiable. So go ahead and create an app that will surpass even Uber. Well, it seems our info sharing time is over for today. Read the full article in our blog to know what technologies it's better to use and why. And of course, don't forget to subscribe in order not to miss out on more exciting videos. See you later for the next edition of All About Apps. Bye for now.